Hi, thank you so much for checking out our website. Now I'm making this video because we've gotten tons of requests of tour operators, travelers, travel agents asking us how they can operate our travel checklist and how they can instruct their customers to use it also. Now, like we've mentioned earlier, the travel checklist is free. You can bring a complimentary service to what you already offer. So you send the itinerary, and alongside you just send our travel checklist also to your customers. So basically, you go into Google and you type www.zippermarketing.com and you go under the resource page. You see that there are three things there. There's make your travel checklist, there's the complete marketing playbook, and then there's events. You just click on make your travel checklist, and then this page loads up to you. Now you click on change conditions. So this software automatically recognizes who has used it last and the kind of conditions that is set, right? So for your clients or for yourself, if you've never used this tool on our website, you won't see these automatic recommendations. I'm able to see the automatic recommendations because I've used it, for like several trips, just to like see how good it works before we bring it out to the public. So if your client is a man or you're a man looking at this, you click on this. Wherever you're traveling to, if it's between 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, you select one of it. If you're going through flights, whatever means you're traveling through, whatever season it is in, if it's going to be chilly, if it's going to be sunny, you're going to click. And then the kind of experience that you're going on. So is it going to be beach? Is it going to be camping? Is it travel photography? Are you going hiking or mountain climbing? Like, those criteria are very important. So in this case, I just want to show you how it works. There are different things. In fact, one person can put in different things just to test out how it works, and it will still generate what you need for it for you. Right, so after putting in all those conditions, I just click here, and automatically my travel checklist is generated for me based on the conditions that I chose. So I think that under this change condition, I clicked on hiking, and so that's why I can see skiing equipment and things that are fitting for this kind of trip. Under clothing, I can see clothes that are fit for this specific kind of trip. Then money, the documents that I'm going to need to travel, and some additional equipment that I'm going to need because of the kind of trip that I selected. Now, first aid kits in case something happens, electronics, some other things that I might need based on this kind of trip. Personal hygiene. Traveling into a different town can be quite difficult, and so this software prepares your mind for all of that. Now, the interesting thing is that as a traveler, you can click on print this. So I keep using they and you because this video is also for tour operators in our community that are asking how they can use our travel checklist, and for travelers and travel bloggers who would like to have it on their website. You click on print list and it automatically opens on a PDF and asks you to print. Or if you're going on a group trip, you can decide to share your list across social media, which is Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that you can literally be packing your things while looking at our website, and so you just keep checking. If you've packed your rechargeable batteries, you check. If you've packed memory card, you check. If you've packed your camera, every other thing that you've packed, you check. And after checking it, you can just scroll to this side of the page and click on print this list. So now, not only do you have a list of the things for you to pack, but you also have a list that is finalized. You already packed these things. Thank you. Feel free to send your questions to clientsuccess@zippermarketing.com.